I'm going to read you a factual book about butterflies today, but I'm going to read it to you this way because it's a smaller book, right? It says, Busy Butterflies. Busy Butterflies. Look how pretty that one is. All the butterflies can be different colors. Come into the garden of butterflies. Look at the butterflies fly by. They're all the colors of the rainbow. Look at how pretty they can be. Lots of different colors of butterflies. Butterflies have 4 wings. They have 6 legs and 2 antennae. Look at all the shapes and patterns. I know it looks like they only have 2 wings, but they really have 4. Watch, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're always split in 2 like that. Let's watch butterflies grow and change. There are 4 stages in a butterfly's life. The first stage is egg, and then it's a caterpillar, and then a chrysalis, and then a butterfly. Then the butterfly lays an egg, and it just keeps happening over and over. That's why it's a life cycle. See the 2 antennae? That's easier to see in this picture. These antennas. And there's 6 legs on a butterfly as well. 3 on each side. A butterfly finds a leaf to lay its eggs on. So the eggs are really tiny. Like, you would really have to look carefully to find an egg on a leaf. It just lays its egg on the underside of the leaf, not even on the top of it. And usually there's several. Some butterflies lay 1 egg at a time. Others lay lots of eggs. So this one laid a whole bunch. That one just laid 1. Butterfly eggs are different shapes and colors. They feel different too. Some are smooth, like this egg. Some are bumpy, like this one. And some have spikes, like that one. The eggs all even look different. The different types of butterflies. A caterpillar grows inside the egg. It chews a hole in the shell. That little tiny caterpillar. It wiggles its way out. It eats its own shell, then it starts to eat leaves, lots of them. So it'll eat the shell that was on the leaf because that gives it some nutrition, and then it starts to eat the leaf. The caterpillar grows and grows. Its skin gets too tight. Its tight skin splits. The caterpillar crawls out in brand new skin. This can happen again and again. It's called molting. So, right here, the old skin is right there. It shed its skin, and then the new skin is just right underneath. So when you see all those little black spots in you know that little jar that we have, you see those little black spots in there? That's the skin, that's old skin. Soon the caterpillar stops eating. It's about to make a big change. First thing they do is when they're done eating, they go up, they attach themselves, you can see this little, they attach themselves to whatever they have, and then they form like a J shape. And then they start spinning this chrysalis around themselves. Sometimes the chrysalis is green, sometimes it's a different color. It hangs head down. It sheds its skin for the last time. The new skin hardens into a chrysalis. The chrysalis splits open. A butterfly pushes free. It has soft, wet wings. By the way, it stays in its chrysalis for a while, for like a week at least. Its wings are warmed by the sun. Slowly, they harden and dry. The butterfly flies off for its new life with wings. The butterfly eats sweet nectar from flowers. It can't chew. It sips through a straw-like tube. You can see in its mouth. This one's better, much better. But these are the antennae. But this thing that comes out of its mouth is like, it's almost like a tongue, but it's really a tube. It's like a big long straw, and they put it down into the flower and to suck up the nectar, and that's what they're eating. Some animals eat butterflies. This bird is hungry. This bird would want to eat the butterfly. But this butterfly can hide. It closes its wings. It holds still. It looks just like a dead leaf. So when this butterfly closes its wings like that, that's what it looks like. Almost looks like it's just a leaf, so then the bird doesn't eat it because it thinks it's a leaf. Butterflies have other ways to stay safe. Some have spots. The spots look like eyes. They scare some predators away. So you can see that these spots kind of look like eyes. So that makes the butterfly look like it's a huge other bug. Some predators, some animals that will eat butterflies, lizards, frogs, birds, and spiders will all eat butterflies. Have you seen butterflies in a garden? Plant some flowers. They may visit you. So the sunflower that you guys are planting, you might visit just because of the sunflower. You can have your own garden of butterflies. The end.